Okay, so in this video, we are going to walk you through how to set up external live chat inside of Calltext so that you can place the chat onto your website and your website visitors can start chatting with you and you can respond back and forth with them inside of Calltext. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the external chat tab and then you're going to want to click on the add button. Okay, and when you click on add, it's going to take you to the settings for the new live chat or external chat that you're going to set up. So we'll just call this one website live chat. And you have the option to tag the contacts if they start a conversation with you. This will allow you to start different campaigns and send out different communications. But I'm going to ignore that for now. So you can tag them based on if they start a chat with you during working hours or during non-working hours. And then you can also notify yourself with email or text if someone starts to chat with you. I'm going to go ahead and leave that blank, but if you wanted to notify yourself by email or text, then go ahead and input your email address or your phone number. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to the start button. Here, this is where we're going to design the button on the website. So for example, this is what one of the buttons could look like if you were to choose to just put, for example, right here, we could do like a plus sign or we could do a question mark. Okay, most commonly people use question marks. So we're going to go ahead and just do that. You can also, if you wanted to, use your own custom image. But for this example, we're just going to go ahead and do text. Right here, we can choose the background color. So if I wanted to make it red, I could make it red. Okay, so now I have a similar looking button to this one. And then I could change the text color if I wanted to. So I could make it yellow, and there it is. But for this example, let's just go ahead and leave it white. Hit close, okay. And then you can kind of mess around with the offset of the button. So if I wanted to move it further away from the edge of the screen, I could do that. If I wanted to have it really close to the edge of the screen, I could just set it to 10 and 10. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and leave this as the default 2020. Okay, so that's the start button. The next button is going to be the login. So once they click this button, we are going to be able to ask them for their email and or number. So we can choose to just do phone number. We can do email and phone number. For this example, let's just go ahead and do both. Okay, by default, you're always going to ask for the name. And then right here, the window title, we can do chat with us. So you can choose whatever you want to say right here. Welcome to call text chat. Right here, we can change that by changing this right here. Welcome to our website chat. Okay, and then the button, we can change this. So we can do start chatting. Okay. But in background, again, if we wanted to match it with the original color, we could just come over here and make it all red. And then the border, again, we can make it red so that it matches with the button background color. I'm going to go ahead and get close. Okay, so this is what they're going to see as soon as they click the button so they can fill out their information. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come back over here to chat, and then this is where we can select the very first message. So welcome message, we can put hello, how can we help you? We'll just leave that there. You can change that if you want. So we can put how can we help you today? Right. And then welcome message during non-working hours. Hello, no one is currently online, but you can leave a message. We will contact you. We'll just do contact you shortly. Okay. And then right here, support agent, we can change that to call text, right? Or whatever we want to put right there. And then we can also select the image. So instead of having that default avatar, we can just choose a different image to place right here. And then the background, by default, it has a call text background, but you can definitely add your own picture background. Okay. And then the last step is the code. You'll first have to save the settings in order to get that code. So external chat was saved. We go back over to code. Oh, what we're going to need to do is we need to go back out to external chat. Then we can edit that chat that we just built. And then we come back over to code. We'll have the code there to place onto your website. Okay, and you're going to want to make sure that you place this into the header script of your website. And that is how you set up an external chat for your website using the call text external chat feature.